is Dr. Christy Ennis. Today we've got 5 moves that are going to cover your whole body that are great if you're a beginner or if you're not a beginner, but they require no equipment at all. And we're going to get it all, so let's get going.
Get to the edge of a chair and let's work those big thigh muscles by standing on up and that balance and sit back down. To make it a little easier, go ahead and press your hands into your legs to help you get up. For a little extra help, press right into the arms of the chair and even look backwards to help. To make it a little bit more difficult, go ahead and put one leg in front of the other in a staggered stance. The most difficult of all is single leg, and this one is tough. To work the chest and arm muscles, find a sturdy surface like a tree, turn those palms slightly out, and with a straight body, let that body come right in towards that surface. The lower the surface, the more difficult, so something like a counter is a little harder. On the ground on your knees is a little more difficult than that, and most difficult is the full push-up. Working mobility, balance, and strength by coming up onto those toes and then rocking back onto those heels and trying not to fall over like I almost did. More balance here and those side hip muscles, which tend to get weak in all of us. Lifting that leg right out to the side, a little bit behind, and those toes pointed forwards or a little out. Lastly, working on our shoulders and shoulder stabilizers to help our posture. We tend to roll and move forward as we get a little bit older, and this helps to keep us opened up and strong.